Today, now we will see the structure of present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. That is symbolized as 2, 6, 10. The structure of present continuous or present imperfect or progressive present. As we know, this has got three names: continuous, imperfect, and progressive. The structure of present continuous tense is that if the subject is I, we, you, they, he, she, it, the auxiliary verb is, am, are, either is or am or are will be used, followed by ing form of the verb. If the subject is I, am will be used. If the subject is we, you, they, names, are will be used. And if the subject is he, she, it, is will be used, followed by verb plus ing. For example, I am studying tense, we are studying tense, you are studying tense, they are studying tense. But he is studying tense, she is studying tense. Since it is non-living, it will not study, it will bark. For example, it is barking or something like that. In past continuous, we have two structures. If the subject is I, he, she, it, was is used, followed by ing form, verb plus ing. If the subject is we, you, they, names, then were, were, will follow, followed by ing form, verb ing. For example, I was studying, he was studying, she was studying tense, right? But we were studying tense, you were studying tense, they were studying tense. Two structures we have. In 10 or future continuous or future imperfect or progressive future, we have the structure like if the subject is I or we, shall will be used, followed by be, thereafter being. For example, I shall be studying, we shall be studying tense, right? But if the subject is we, you, he, she, it, they, we will be used, followed by be plus verb ing. For example, you will be studying tense today. He will be studying tense today. She will be studying tense today. Right? I shall be studying tense. Example. You can write down many examples with yourself, with play, with go, sing, something like that. Now, for the sake of revision, we can have In present continuous, the subject plus helping verb is, am, are, as the subject is followed by verb ing. For example, I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is, and verb ing. In past continuous, we shall have two structures. If the subject is I, he, she, it, was is used as helping verb, and this is followed by verb ing. For example, I was studying, he was studying, she was studying, as I have already told you. If the subject is we, you, they, word will be used. In future continuous, we shall have two structures. If the subject is I, we, shall will be used, followed by be, followed by verb in, verb plus ing. I, we, shall be studying tense. In case of you, he, she, it, and they, will be used, followed by be plus verb ing. You will be studying tense today. Thank you.